it's so important that we embrace our te ao, our Māori, our kaupapa. I think it's thriving at the moment, and we really need to acknowledge that. And I feel like the world's acknowledging that as well.
Having that strong whānau beginning, you're really set up for life.
Everybody needs a bit of E Tū Whānau in their ao.
I was keen to have a look at your core values because that's what sits at the bottom of Māoridom. We've got our whakapapa that brings us into a long line of intergenerational knowledge, or the transmission of intergenerational knowledge that's been passed down all the time. And it's those principles that are passed down to us.
Definitely made me feel safe having a conversation about whānau. We had a light discussion about violence and the impacts of that and how you can address it using Māori values, and they feel the safety that E Tū Whānau provides, actually ready to have that open kōrero, which is where it all starts.
I'm from Sydney, Australia, and this is my first encounter with E Tū Whānau, and I must say I'm very impressed with the puka that's been put out and available to whānau to read, and something from the heart.
I'm going to be taking these resources home, back to Brisbane, and sharing with our whānau who are very lost over there.
I've had the privilege of seeing E Tū Whānau on the ground, and I know how important our te ao Māori, tikanga, mātauranga Māori, our whakapapa is the solution to our healing, to preventing violence, to living safe, loving lives, which is what our tupuna have left for us as a tool.
Domestic violence prevention mahi is what we do. Do you think these six values are values that we should be utilising when working with whānau and domestic violence prevention mahi?
Pai ana kia te pai atu era kia pai ahuru mō ai mō tātai, mai oranga.
So I truly believe that together we can work through a lot of our problems.
Community-led, whānau-led, that is the way that we interrupt intergenerational violence with intergenerational aroha. Kia ora.
E Tū Whānau.